welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we will do something completely different that we haven't done before. So I actually did this random purchase. Actually, it's not super random. I have been researching on it for about 2 weeks now, and bought Roomba, which in other words, iRobot Roomba. So I'm feeling super lazy to clean the apartment every other day or just every week. So I thought I can buy this, robot and vacuum the apartment. Today we're gonna unbox that and test it out and see how it is. I have seen mixed reviews about it, so I'm not sure how good it's going to be. They just say so many things about if you have a pet, it might not be super ideal because it doesn't do thorough cleaning. But since I don't have pets and it's a small apartment, it should be easy. So let's test it out. This is the one I got. It's a 675 iRobot Roomba. It was actually, I think, the cheapest model. Yeah, and it has a lot of reviews. So this is what it looks like, and let's get started. Ooh, that's cool. Now let's go in the back. Okay, I think that was the battery part. I just took it out. So this is the filter you can change, I think. Okay. Instructions. And I'm gonna find some docking station that I think that I could start with and download the app afterwards. So I just plugged this in. Now it is charging actually, so it does recommend me to fully charge it before I start cleaning it around. So in the meantime, I'm gonna actually download the app and we can go through the process there. Made an account. So I just got the email, so now we're just gonna connect it with Bluetooth. I'm gonna name it Baymax. If you guys remember, this is actually from a movie called Big Hero 6. It does kind of remind me of that. This is a robot and does kind of help things too.
Connected to Roomba. Please use the iRobot Home app to complete setup.
Okay guys, so you are hearing the sound, so it says now it's connected. I had a bit of glitch. I think I pressed the wrong button. Because I think I pressed the clean, which is right here, but you're supposed to put use those two buttons, the spot and the dock. Okay, now it says it's taking a minute. Now it is all set up. I called it Baymax and it says ready to clean, still charging. So I'll get back to you guys when it's 100% charged and we can test it out. Okay guys, so now it looks like it's fully charged. Let's see. Although in here it doesn't seem like it's fully charged. I'm not sure why it's not correlating, but let's try. It is working. So update, I'm trying to dock this and she is circling around and dock is right there. I'm not sure what is the problem. Maybe it's just too close, it's not clean space. I have to read the instructions again, but let's see. Okay, she's going. No, she's not going. She's just going in circles. Hello? Okay, maybe. Come on! Almost there! Almost there. Come on. Okay guys, it's been a couple of hours using iRobot Roomba. So now we're gonna try again to see if it was gonna dock by itself. I actually connected to Google, and it's docked right now. I realized that the problem was because the surface was a little bit elevated. So let's try it again to see if it's gonna work. The problem is it just circles around too much, so I'm not sure what is up with that exactly. So let's try it. Okay, Google, start cleaning.
Sure, starting Bumblebee.
Okay, Google, stop Bumblebee.
Okay, stopping Bumblebee.
Okay, Google, duck Bumblebee.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Okay, Google, duck Roomba.
Got it, docking Bumblebee.
There's a couple things you guys can do. You can also add like this one button, this IFTTT, to make the process a lot simpler. When you press it, it just starts Roomba. I accidentally said Zumba. And lastly, this is just a schedule that you can make up. I'm not sure how good that is. I will test it out later. And this is just a history of what is made, like how many minutes it has taken it, and it currently shows that it is charging and ready to clean. Okay guys, so this was an extensive review of me, checking out Roomba. It's been actually a couple days and now I have used it, so I actually kind of like it. I think it just takes time to get used to it, and also it just learns the map of your apartment, so just give it a couple tries. And yeah, I also showed you guys like some of the items that you can use. This IFTTT, definitely with Google Home or Alexa, if you have it, you can totally connect it to it. And also you can just use the app, which is iRobot Home app, to do it. Only problem that I had is, so I actually changed, so you can name your robot. So at first I named it Baymax, then I changed it to actually Bumblebee, which I like it much better. So you can actually use Bumblebee to say things with the Google Home or Alexa, but some reason with Google Home, whenever I will say things with the name, it will understand with cleaning and stopping, but when you say to dock it, you have to say Roomba. I don't know why is that. If you say Bumblebee or Baymax, whatever you named it, it doesn't understand it. You have to say duck the Roomba, then it goes back to it, which you will see in the clips.